BMW here. Really, 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 really bad headlights. Really bad. A lot of internal damage, especially on the bottom, because there's moisture getting inside the headlight and it's resting on the bottom of the light. Nothing you can do, but look how bad these are. We can make them look a lot better. This particular car, did we make them perfect? No, because the problems that we have is beyond our control. It's on the inside of the light. But you're going to see the after and it's going to blow you away anyway. But there are still issues on the inside of the light, which is pretty common for BMWs. There you go. I mean, look at what we started with and look what we have now. That's fantastic. Yeah, here's another one. Broward Headlight Restoration, South Florida. We service Broward, Palm Beach counties, Miami-Dade County. We're 100% mobile. Text us your pictures. We'll come out to you. 754-302-0769. 754-302-0769.